Hey, what's up there, Honda peeps? So I recently had this problem with my Honda. It's a 98 Honda CRV with my brake light. So what was happening was intermittently my brake light would be coming on, or I would have my emergency brake released and it would just continue to stay on, and then it would just kind of go off by itself. So if you're having that issue, just hang on and I'm going to show you a free, it's not a solution, but what it will do is it will prevent you from spending money on checkups or replacing parts that you may not need to. As with the spirit of sharing knowledge, I hope this can help you troubleshoot something and then save you money at the same time. So here we go. So you see here, I start my car up, and right now I have my e-brake off. Oh, I'm sorry, I have my e-brake on. So I go ahead and I'm gonna pull my e-brake, I turn that off. And then you can see that my brake light is still on. So even though my e-brake is off, so let's go ahead and put that back. So go ahead and kill your engine, and you're gonna go ahead and pop your hood. Release is down there for those who don't know. And maybe grab yourself a dirty rag, because my car is always dirty. You might be better than me on that, but my car is always pretty much filthy. And we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood. Okay, so now we've got the hood popped. So you're gonna go to the back, and see in the back here, you're gonna see kind of a drum type thing. This is your brake fluid right here. This is your cylinder for hydraulic pressure. So, you know, another thing that will set off the brake sensor is low fluid. And what you can do, you know, I already checked, but I know I have plenty of fluid in there, and you can actually see it on the side here. Okay, you can see I got plenty of fluid. Geez, that's dirty. Anyways, plenty of fluid in there. But so what you're gonna do is go ahead and pop this off the lid, and then inside here is this little float. Okay, and so what was shown to me is sometimes this little float can get stuck in the down position, right? So basically what that tells this sensor here is that you're low brake fluid when you are in fact not low brake fluid. So what you can do, you just get in there with your finger and kind of massage it. Okay, and again, this isn't fixing it, but if you do this and the light goes off and the inside, then you'll know you have your problem. You know what you need to replace, and replacing a float is much cheaper than replacing, you know, about anything else in the braking system. So anyways, I hope this helps anybody. So let's go see if this works. Start the car up. Okay, see you there, and boom, brake on, brake off, brake on, brake off. Now again, this isn't fixing anything, but it is telling me where my problem is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps somebody. Again, this was something I never would have thought of. I might have started replacing who knows what. You know, I get some bad ideas. So always start with the easiest thing first, and good luck to you in your car. Okay, aloha.